focus on plant-based, and it is, but it is specifically combined with certain vegetables. And we not only go for perfect digestion, perfect pH balancing, supporting the immune system and strengthening the immune system, we follow the low glycemic index and calorie density. All that's included. However, we also go for taste, textures, flavor, because the food industry has done an amazing job, an incredible job at setting up research laboratories and figuring out how to trigger the blissful bite. The blissful bite actually lights up the brain chemistry, like heroin and cocaine. So that's a strategic layering of sugars, fats, and salts. And when I first started teaching vegetables, people thought, okay, I'll do this. I'll take a salad and I'll squeeze a lemon. I could do that maybe 2 days, because it's just not satisfying. So what I did is using the plant base as a base, a foundation, and then building it with the 5 laws, the scientific laws of perfect nutrition, focusing on texture, taste, and the balanced bite. And it's amazing how satisfied you feel, but how much energy you gain. Because with fruits and vegetables, it's very different than any other food products. And that's basically what they are, food products, where the fruits and vegetables come from a living source. Now, vegetables and fruits, once they're picked, cut off from their life source. So, like, it's good if you actually leave some of the greens, like the tomatoes have the stem, because once it's cut off completely from its life source, the tree, then it starts, the enzymes inside start actually decomposing it. So the fruits and vegetables, once severed from their life source, are basically not living anymore and starting to utilize their plant material to just decompose. Very similar to what our human bodies will do if we're not receiving the nutrients from the vegetables and the fruits. I mean, you think about that. If we go into, let's say, for example, an acid pH in blood and body fluid, we have to neutralize it or we die. So the body starts yanking all the calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus from the bones to neutralize it. That's osteoporosis. So we do the same thing as an apple would. We start taking from our storage units and trying to balance. So it's really important. And I am going to incorporate throughout the whole demonstration living food as well, which is sprouts. So we'll get to that. So before I get in depth with anything, I'd like to hear from you and just maybe tell me what you most would like to learn and take away from this. Maybe something you're confused about, or maybe a challenge as far as working with a loved one that you can't quite convince to switch over to a plant-based or less animal, less sugars.